Welcome to SAT Hero 800 Reading. I am your new tutor, Delilah, and you are in great hands because I have professionally tutored the SAT online full time for over 2 years, and I have successfully helped hundreds of students reach their goal scores. I designed this course for students taking the SAT who desire to score well but struggle with the SAT reading comprehension or the timing. So, by the end of this course, you'll know all of the reading concepts and be able to successfully identify and solve the questions using a simple yet highly effective strategy I'll teach you. I dig into the various types of reading passages and the types of questions you'll see on the SAT reading, such as tone, main idea, and inference questions, just to name a few. The ideal student for this course is anyone who has to take the SAT and wants to master the reading section, which will happen as long as you stick with the course and learn how to properly apply the strategy. So feel free to take a look around the course description, and I can't wait to see you inside.